Hello students, we are doing chapter number 4, determinant matrices from part 1. So today we will start. In last lecture we have seen the determinant of order 3. Now today we will start a minor and the cofactor of a determinant. Okay. So first of all we will see the minor. The minor of Aij. Okay. So it is defined as the determinant obtained by eliminating the ith row. First of all, we will take one determinant A. Okay, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. So this is a determinant of order 3 by 3. Okay. So there are 9 elements you can see in this determinant. So for the each element there will be one minor and one cofactor. Okay. So there will be total 9 minors for this determinant and 9 corresponding cofactors. Okay. So first of all, A11. So to find out the minor of A11, the rule is you have to eliminate the first row and the first column. 1 1, first row and the first column. Okay, and then you have to find out the determinant of the remaining entries, that is A22, A23, A32 and A33. Okay, so it will give you the minor for the A11. Okay, similarly, if you want to find out the minor of A12, so you have to eliminate the first row and the second column. 1 means first row, is 2 matlab second column. Okay, so in general, if you want to find out the minor of Aij of any element, okay, Aij, then you have to eliminate the ith row and jth column, and then you have to find out the determinant of the remaining entries. Okay, so it will give you the minor of Aij. Okay, so we'll take, so therefore here the minor of A11, minor of A11, it will be denoted by M11. Minor is denoted by capital M11. Okay, which is equals to, so for the 1 1 you have to eliminate the first row and the first column. The remaining entries are A22, A32, A23, A33. So this is the minor of A11. Similarly, minor of A12, that is M12 here. Okay, so इसका minor क्या होगा? Corresponding row and the column will eliminate, and you will left with A21, A31, A23 and A33. Okay. Similarly, what will be the minor of M13, which is A13, है ना? Minor of A13, which is equals to M13, which is equals to this, and this will get cancelled. A21, A31, A22, A32. Okay, so likewise you can calculate the minor of each element. So we'll take one example. Okay, so before going towards example, we will see cofactors as well. So this is the minor, and for the corresponding cofactor, you can find out cofactor as, suppose you want to find out the cofactor of A11. So it will be cofactor of A11. It is equals to minus 1 raised to, since here 1 1 is there, so you have to add 1 plus 1 into M11. Okay, so here the cofactor will be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. M11 means the minor. यहाँ पे जो भी आंसर आएगा वो यहाँ पे हमें लिखना है. Okay, I'll show you down. So this is minor of A11. So if you want to find out the cofactor of A11, it is equals to, cofactor is denoted by capital C. Okay, it is C11, which is equals to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11, which is equals to minus 1 square. M11 means this part, A22, A32, A23 and A3. So the cofactor is totally depend upon the minors. Okay, so similarly this is the cofactor of the first entry. If you want to find out in general, then what is the formula for the Aij cofactor? It is Mij, right? So Mij means it is, you have to eliminate the ith and jth column, the corresponding entries. You have to find out the determinant of that. So therefore the Cij means cofactor of Aij. It is minus 1 raised to I plus j. Whatever entries are there in this suffix, you have to just add them and you have to multiply it by Mij. So you will get the cofactor. Okay, so we'll do one example. Okay. One note is there. See, this formula was for the 3 by 3 determinant. If you have 2 by 2 determinant, A, B, C, D, okay, then in this, the minor of the first entry, the minor of A will be what? You can see this and this will eliminate, you will left with D only. Okay, so each element of the determinant having the minor, right? So minor of A, minor of B, minor of C and minor of D. So what will be minor of A? This and this will eliminate, you will left with the D. Minor of B will be this and this will eliminate C. Minor of C will be B and the minor of D will be A. I hope this is clear. Okay. And the cofactor, you have to just, there will be the difference of minus sign only between the cofactor and the minus. Okay. So we will see one example. So this concept will be clear to you. Okay. So I am doing problem number 1, which is given on page number 61. Find the minors and the cofactors of the element of the determinant 2, 4, minus 3 and 7. So here this is A11, A12, A21 and A22. Okay. So we have to find out the minors. M11 means minor of this A11, that is 2. So minor of 2, instead of writing minor of 2, I am writing M11. Okay. Then M12, M21 and M22. Instead of writing minor of 2, minor of 3, minor of 4 and 7, I am writing M11, M12. I am not writing M13 because only 2 by 2 determinant is there. Therefore M21 and M22. Okay, so what will be the minor of M11? That means minor of 2. So this and this will get eliminated. You will left with the 7. Okay. Minor of M12, it is means this. So here ये eliminate हो जाएगा. Answer is 4. Minor of M21, that is 4. So here ये चला जाएगा. Answer will be minus 3 and minor of 7 will be 2. Okay. Now we will find out the cofactors. So the cofactor is denoted by C11, C12, C13 and C21 and C22. You have to just concentrate on the notations. Okay. So C11 means it is cofactor of first entry, that is 2. So answer is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. जो भी तुम्हारे suffix है, you have to just add them. 1 plus 1 into M11. So minus 1 square will be plus 1, right? And M11 is 7. So 1 into 7, which is 7. Okay? And C12 will be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 into M12. So minus 1 raised to cube will be minus, right? And what is M12? It is 4. So answer is minus 4. What is C21? It is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. That is minus 1 cube, which is minus again. Okay? And M21. So the minus M21 is minus 3. So minus of minus 3 it is plus 3. And the last one is C22. That is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22, which is 1 into M22 is 2 here. So answer is 2. Okay. So these are the cofactors. You can see there is only minus difference. 7 is same. 4 minus. Minus 3 plus 3. 2 and 2. Okay. Only the sign difference between them is of negative sign. And this is the way to find out the minors and the cofactor of 2 by 2 matrix. Now we will see 3 by 3 determinant. Okay. And then we will solve minor and cofactor for that. So I am doing problem number 2, page number 62. 1 minus 2 5 2 0 minus 1 minus 3 4 and 3. Okay. So first of all we will find out all the minors and then we will go for the cofactors. So there will be 9 minors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For each of the element there will be one minor. Okay. So here this is A11, A12, A13 like that. So I am directly writing it. M11 means minor of first element. Okay. M12 means minor of A12. M12, M13. Okay. Then M21, M22 and M23. So here M11 means you have to eliminate the first row and the first column and you have to find out the determinant of the remaining entries. Okay. Now the determinant will be 0 into 3, that is 0. Minus of minus 4 into 4. Minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. But minus and minus, it is plus 4. Okay. Now what is the minor of M12? M12 means first row and the first row and the second column will eliminate and then you will left with minus 2, 5, 4 and 3. Okay. So here it is minus 2 into 3, minus 6, 4 into 5, 20, minus 26. Okay. Now, instead of finding separate cofactor, what we'll do? We will find out the cofactor just after finding this. So it will easier for us. Okay. N1 हो गया तो C11. C11 means cofactor. So answer will be minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11, which is equals to minus 1 square, that is plus 1. M11 is a 4. So C11 is also 4. Okay. This will be better for us. Now what is M12? M12 is first row and second column chala jayega. So you will left with the minus 2, 5, 4 and 3. Just now we have calculated and it was like minus 26. Okay. So what is C12? Minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12, which is equals to minus 1 cube, that is minus of minus 26, which is equals to 26. Okay. Now what is M13? M13 means first row and third column चला जाएगा. First row and third column चला गया तो बचा क्या? minus 2, 5, 0 and minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1, it is 2 only, right? And 0 into 5, that will be 0. Then what is C13? It is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into M13. So minus 1 raised to 4, that is plus 1. M13, it is 2. So C13 is also equals to 2. Okay. Now will you find out the M21, that means minor of this M21. Okay. So 2 means second row and the first column will go, and second row and the first column we will left with 2, minus 1, minus 3 and 3. Okay. So the minor of this will be 2 into 3, that is 6. Minus 1 into minus 3, that is 3. So 6 minus 3, it is 3. And what is C21? It is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 raised to cube, that is minus, and this is 3. So it is minus. Okay. Now we will find out the M22, minor of the middle element. So for that, second column and the second row will go away. 1, 5, minus 3 and 3. 3 into 1, 3, minus 3 into 15, 15. Okay, so minus 15, plus 15 and plus 3, it is equals to plus 18. So the C22 will be minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22, which is equals to minus 1, 4, that is 1, and it is 18. Okay. Now next is M23 here. Okay, so for that 2 means second row, 3 means third column. Second row, third column, you will left with 1, 5, 2, minus 1. So the answer is 1 into minus 1 into minus 10, that is minus 11. So therefore C23 it is minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 into M23. So minus 1 raised to 5, that is minus 1, minus of minus 11, which is equals to 11. Okay. Now this is for the first row element, this is for the second row element. Now we will find out the third row element. Okay, so this is M31. Third row, first column. So third row and the first column will gone, and we left with 2, 0, minus 3 and 4. So 2 into 4, that is 8 only, because 0 into minus 3, that will be 0. Okay. Now C31, it is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1 into M31. Minus 1 raised to 4 plus 1 into 8. Okay. Now M23. 32, not 23. M32 means this entry. So the third row and the second column will go 1, minus 2, minus 3 and 4. So 1 into 4, 4. Minus 2 into minus 3, it is plus 6, and here it is minus 6. The middle formula minus is there, minus sign is there of formula, and this is plus 6, so answer is minus 2. So what is C32? It is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2 into M32. So minus 1 raised to 5, that is minus of minus 2, which is equals to 2 only. Okay. And the last term, it is M33. This term, so this and this will go away. 1 minus 2, 2 and 0. 1 into 0, that is 0. Minus of minus 2 into 2, that is plus 4. And C33, it is minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3 into M33, which is equals to minus 4 raised to 6, it is plus 1 into 4. Okay. So the cofactors are, these are the minors, there are total 9 minus 9 cofactors. Okay. So this is the way to find out the minors and the cofactors of the 3 by 3 matrix. Now the next topic is expansion of a determinant by using minors and the cofactor of any row and column. Okay. Expansion of determinant by using minor and cofactor. So first of all, take A is equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, so here what is the determinant? It is A11 times determinant of this, right? Just a simple determinant. It is A22, A32, A22, A33. Then minus A12. I am doing by the first row, okay? By using the first row. A12, then this and this will go on. You will left with A21, A31, A23, A33. And plus sign A13. A21, A31, A22, A32. Okay. So here we have just write down the formula for the determinant. Okay. But here clearly this thing is nothing but if you calculate the minor or cofactor, what will be the cofactor of A11? We will write down here. C11 is nothing but minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. M11 means this row and this column will go on and the determinant of this, that is A22, A32, A23 and A33. Right? So minus 1 square is plus 1 and into this. So clearly this part is nothing but your C11. So can we write this part as this is A11 times C11? Yes? Okay. Now clearly the second. This is what? If you find out the cofactor of A12, that is C12, right? So what is C12? It is minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 times minor of A12. Minor of A12, that is what? First row and second column. First row and second column will go away and you will left with तो है ये सेम यहाँ पे okay, minus 1 cube, that is minus. So this sign and this minus sign is there and plus this is also there. So here minus will become plus A12 times C12. Yes, we have write down this minus and this term as C12 क्योंकि C12 का formula भी वही है, right? And similarly, if you find out the cofactor of A13, then you will get this term. Okay, so What we have done, we have just write down the expansion for the determinant in terms of the cofactor by using the first row. Right? Similarly, you can use the second row and write down the expansion. पहले determinant का formula लिखो. Okay? What will be the determinant formula for the second row? I'll show you. Same technique is there as we have done for the first row. Instead of going for the first row, we will go for the second row. Okay, so what is this? A21 times. So this row and this column will go away. Okay, corresponding row and column को हटाना है. So you will left with A12, A32, A13 and A33. Minus sign देना, plus minus plus. Okay, minus this term. This term है तो ये और उसका corresponding column और corresponding row चला जाएगा. Then you will left with this. A11, A31, A13, A33 plus this term. A23 corresponding column and row will go A11, A31, A12 and A32. So this is what? This is also a determinant. It will give you the same answer, but instead of the first row, we are using second row. You can also use the third row to find out the determinant, but always the first row is useful. It is used to find out the determinant, okay? But you can use any row or the any column. You can also use the column, okay? अगर तुम्हें column use करना है तो कैसे लिखोगे? This is by second row, okay? If you want to find out the determinant by using the columns, so what will be the first? A11, the first entry, okay? So the corresponding column and the corresponding row will go away. You will left with this part. Minus, instead of row, you will use the second entries in the column, okay? That is A21. So the corresponding column and the corresponding row will go. Plus, then the third entry, A31. ये और ये चला जाएगा. You will left with A12, A22, A13 and the A23. Okay, so this is what determinant by using the first column. You can also use second column, you can also use third column. Okay, so in exam, if the question is asked for finding only determinant, you can use any method, any row, any column, but it is mentioned write down the expansion of determinant by using the third row, then you have to use the particular third row. If it is asked for using of third column, then you have to use the third column only. Okay, it is simple and it is same like the first row. Okay, you have to just, instead of taking the rows, you have to go in a column direction. Okay, and similarly you can convert this part into the corresponding cofactor. This is C21, this is C22 and this is C23. Okay, similarly here also this is C11, C21 and C31. So this is the cofactor and the minors. Now in the next class we will see some example and we will start the new topic, that is the properties of the determinant of this chapter.